Some time ago, we learned about how to make designs with circles and shapes. In today's lesson, you will find out how we are going to further apply this design pattern as we make the designs of a beetle on a kite. You have probably seen kids make and fly kites, or you have probably made and fly your own kites. But can you remember how a kite is made? What are the things that make up a kite? A kite is usually made up of a frame. The frame must be very light so that the weight does not pull down the kite. Then, this frame is usually covered with paper, cloth, or plastic. There is something else a kite has, a tail. The tail of a kite has the same function as the tail of a bird. The tail of a bird helps to stabilize the bird as it flies. So, the tail of a kite also helps to stabilize the kite as it flies. And there is one more feature of a kite, a long string. This helps you to control the direction the kite goes. People have made many designs of kites. We are going to create a very simple design of a kite. The first part I am going to create will represent the piece of paper or cloth that covers the kite. To do this, I'm going to draw the kite shape. I will cover it with a material that has a red color. To add to the design, I'm going to attach another material with a blue color to the corners of the kite. Next, I'm going to fix my frames to the material. The frames help to keep the paper or cloth open as you fly the kite. After this, I will attach the tail that will keep the kite stabilized as it flies on the air. Finally, I will attach my string that will help me to control the kite. With all of these features, your kite is ready. You can go on to fly your kite. The next design we are going to make is the design of a beetle. Beetles are insects. Just like every other insect, a beetle has head, thorax, abdomen, and 6 legs. The body of a beetle is usually hard. People have copied the design of the beetle to create things like this vehicle. This car has the shape of a beetle. It is also very tough, just like the beetle. In fact, the name given to this car is beetle. But the design pattern of a beetle that I want to give attention to is not its structure, rather, its color pattern. First of all, we are going to make a beetle and I will show you some materials with these color patterns. To start, make a big circle, make an arc at the top of the circle. Next, draw the 6 legs of the beetle. Color the circle red. Draw a straight line to divide the circle into two parts and put two other lines at the top of the arc. The straight line at the center of the circle helps to create the two wings of the beetle, while the two other lines at the top of the arc serves as its antennas. Next, color inside of the arc black and make round black spots in the circle. This design pattern can be seen in some objects around us, like these ones. When making designs as well, you can also copy these design patterns. But in all we have said in this lesson, did you notice that both the kite and the beetle designs are all about shapes? The kite we made comprises of two shapes, the kite shape and the triangle. Circles were used to create the design of a beetle. Join our next class for another amazing design. But before then, don't forget to attempt your quizzes and your assignments. I am looking forward to have you in the next class. Goodbye.